Hey saxophone friends, I wanted to tune you guys into a really cool case. For all you doublers out there, alto, soprano, years ago I did a review on the ProTech double case that has wheels. It's pretty nice, but it's really big and bulky. This one is something I've been using the past 6 months. It is from Brevard Winds and Brass down in Melbourne, Florida. This is a really cool double case, and it reminds me a lot of the Wiseman cases. But if you've priced those, they're really expensive. This is a bargain in the saxophone community. This one is $2.99. He does have a version that has wheels on it as well, but I like this one. It has backpack straps, and it's about the size of an alto case. So there's my alto case right there, and it is very similar in size. So obviously I've got my alto in here, and I've got my soprano strapped in there as well. Plenty of storage, mouthpieces. You could have a whole other instrument in here if it fits, flute or clarinet or something like that even. But this straps in really well. These are movable pieces, so I've got this set up for a Mark VI, but you can move them to fine tune it to whatever soprano you're using. But it's very secure. I was skeptical when I first saw this, but it fits very nicely, and you can snug it up with these Velcro straps. And then of course you've got this thick plush layer here that straps in, and so there's nothing touching your alto, and the alto is very secure as well. It's a snug fit, which you want in a case. There's no extra movement, so it's not like sliding up and down or anything like that. It fits very well. Neck, and of course your storage for mouthpieces, swabs, reeds, all of that. I also like that it has plenty of external storage. You can put a tablet, you could put sheet music, different things in there. Zip it up. Show you the back. So it does have backpack straps. Again, he does have a model that has wheels on it, if you like that. But this one, I like just putting the backpack straps on. I've been using a Manning custom case for my tenor and soprano for years, and that's quite heavy as well. This one is a little bit lighter than that. It's a really solid case, and although it is a little thicker than a normal alto case and slightly longer just because of the straight soprano in it, you can see it's still not quite as long as a tenor case almost is. So it should still fit overhead on most airlines actually as a carry-on. So there's that you can carry two horns with you. So I've been using this exclusively the past 6 months on my alto soprano gigs. I'm really liking it, and I just wanted to share with you guys in case you didn't know about it. This is a bargain in the saxophone market. If you've looked at double cases like the Wiseman cases or even the BAM double cases, those are nice too, but this is a steal, so definitely check those out on his website. Also, honorable mention is his saxophones. This is a tenor saxophone I have from him. I'm a pmauriat guy, but I got this as a backup horn, and it is phenomenal. You can get them in different color finishes, from unlacquered to silver plated or gold lacquer, cognac lacquer, whatever you're looking for. And he also has different necks. That came with a silver neck, but I got this Reference 54 style neck. I really like it. It gives it a nice smoky vibe to the tone, and I really like that as well. And his horns are really affordably priced. And this tenor, the tenor and baritone, I just got a baritone for my daughter as well. They're amazingly priced, great intonation, overall feel. It's such a bargain for the saxophone community, so I wanted to share this with you guys as well. And he has some different case options for tenor, alto, different colors: burgundy, black, brown, this like forest green color. Anyway, just wanted to highlight some things that I've discovered recently that I thought were pretty cool. They're working well for me. And even if you're not down in the Melbourne area, he can certainly ship these items to you just like any other company. So definitely worth checking out. So if this was helpful to anybody, please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next time.